when Mary asked me, we should show your VR pieces, I say, yeah, sure, I would like to show it, but I don't want to show a VR piece in a boring, conventional way, you know? And I said, the best way to create a VR piece for this exhibit is to have the viewer as a participant of the exhibit. So they have to be forced to wear this mask, which basically to wear a mask of one of my characters, to be able to enter into this world.
So the VR video inside the headsets was actually created in 2017, right after President Trump was elected. And inside you start off inside the limousine with his cast of characters from history and mythology, and they're on their way to his inaugural event. But the experience with the VR is very different than viewing a video that's on a wall. You're actually inside the environment, and you can actually turn your head and look up and down, and you'll see yourself inside the limousine with this cast of characters just carrying on and having a grand old time.
Mary Solvante, the director of the art gallery, reached out to me and said, hey, I have an interesting project where we would like you to make masks for us and use virtual reality to be able to capture an experience that she was trying to create in the gallery. And you know, as an act of serendipity, we just learned how to print masks, and we took something that we had accomplished for medical use and then converted it to an art project. We have never done a purely art project before. This was the first. So what the virtual reality lab did was to be able to 3D print masks that were visually accurate as the artist wanted, but also were able to mount perfectly on the virtual reality headset so that the user could wear it and experience a virtual world.
I had printed masks before as side projects for my kids or for other things, but I'd never done something that needed to attach to an actual virtual reality unit that has to fit and work and be comfortable all at the same time. One of the most interesting things about this project is the artist was working with multiple people, someone to make the VR content, the 3D models, the animations, someone to do the masks, myself, the curator of the gallery. It was a distributed operation where all of us were working together collaboratively, separately, but still pulling it all together to fulfill their vision.
It was a fascinating learning experience, and I always tell my students that engineers really are artists and artists are engineers. I think we just don't know it. And when we start working together and discovering and exploring, breakthroughs occur at the boundaries between disciplines.
With them. Oh, I'm in a limo! It looks like Trump is sitting in front of me, but I'm not sure. And George Washington. Yeah, this is cool.
This is really the post-Renaissance world that we are living in. There are some advantages to specializing, absolutely, but I think breaking down these barriers and exploring some common ways of being inventive and creative and adventurous are what we really need to do, engineers, artists, scientists, doctors, everybody.
I'm extremely grateful to have accomplished this VR project, which without Rowan University it wouldn't have been possible. Without Shreekanth it wouldn't be possible, because there was really this combination of expertise in different fields that really allow us to make a great VR project.